Hey, you wonderful people out there. My name is Chris. Welcome to the Business Report Show. A bit of a breaking news, unplanned video today. Morgan Stanley just announced they are raising their price target for Tesla from $540 to $810. That's a significant jump for the investment bank. And that's important because about 43% of Tesla shares are owned by institutions. That's why you're seeing the current continued increase in share price, as you have a lot of the big fund managers that do use Morgan Stanley, obviously, as guidance for some of their holdings. So this is super exciting, especially as a long-term investor in Tesla. Continues to make new 52-week highs today. As of recording of this video, it is at $772 per share. It's gone up 5%. So this price target raise for Morgan Stanley has been super positive. So why did Morgan Stanley raise its price on Tesla? As everyone who follows Tesla knows, they just announced some preliminary numbers for Q4 and full year deliveries for cars. Now, the estimated Q4 and full year earnings conference call is expected to be on February 23rd, and this is based on previous year's Q4 full year earnings conference calls. So prior to that, they have since announced just some preliminary numbers for their deliveries, and they were great. Now, I was a little skeptical because the full year count, they were short by 450 cars from Elon Musk's prediction from the beginning of 2020. 450 cars. So they delivered full year 499,550 cars. Now, Elon Musk predicted 500,000 cars, and they missed about by 450. Now, for those long-term investors, analysts love to pick at these minute details. 450 cars sometimes could mean a $30, $40 price drop for Tesla. Fortunately, that didn't happen. And since opening in New Year's, Tesla continues to climb for the stock price. And Morgan Stanley price target increase has been mainly driven by the Q4 numbers, which were higher than expected. Just go through some of these numbers quickly. For Q4, we have 180,570 vehicles that were delivered and 179,757 produced. So this was higher than expected. This was also much higher than the record deliveries of 139,300 cars back in September 2020. This is all significant considering we are still in the midst of a global pandemic, and yet orders and pre-orders are still going up. So bodes really well for Tesla. Just diving deep in a little bit more of the numbers, it looks like 161,650 cars were delivered for the Model 3 and Model Y. 164,000 was produced. For the Model S and Model X, there were about 18,920 deliveries and about 16,097 cars produced. So great numbers across the board for Q4. The other thing to note, I guess, looking into 2021, I've created a couple videos already about my long-term take on Tesla. But some good news is that the factory in Shanghai is now open. Model Y production has started there. That is a massive market for Tesla. As we all know, we see some of the other stocks, NIO, for example. China is going to be a massive market for EV, and for Tesla to be up and running, ready to go there, bodes really well for the overall financials. Other things to look forward to this year in 2021 is the new factory in Austin, Texas, and in Brandenburg, Germany. Elon Musk has said that those will take 12 to 14 months to get up to capacity. So we still got a little bit of waiting time on that. There will still be some capital expenditures there. So look out for that. Look out for some news of that throughout the year. Things to be careful for short-term investors of Tesla as the Q4 and full year numbers come out. One of the biggest concerns for some analysts has been their expenses and capital expenditures. Look for that to weigh a little bit on the stock. There may be a little bit of pullback once those numbers do get released. So look for those numbers to potentially have some downside pressure to that stock. Now, for us long-term investors, might not be a bad idea, again, to buy on a dip if there's some pullback with some maybe higher expense numbers coming in. So other than that, just want to make this video today to talk about the announcement from Morgan Stanley. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you like this video, make sure you hit the like. Every little bit helps. And check out my other videos. I just posted a new video this morning about Fubo TV and some of the positives and negatives about that stock. So make sure you check that out. I'll provide the link somewhere in this video. And finally, just a reminder, I'm not a financial planner or financial advisor, and everything I say here is just my personal opinion, and you should always check with a professional before investing. So that's it for today, guys. Just a quick update on Tesla. Happy and safe investing out there, and we will catch you next time on the Business Report Show.